Stega Strip from Insight Security is a great visual and physical anti-climb deterrent for unwelcome intruders or animals. With the general appearance of a rugged steel barrier, the product is actually manufactured from a robust weatherproof plastic material, so it can be safely used around domestic or commercial properties. Whilst the angular multi-spike format makes the product painful to grab, the product is designed to prevent serious injury to intruders, cats or other animals. Stegastrip is ideal for fitting along the top of walls, gates and fences, and can be installed as a static spike barrier, or it can be installed as an even more intimidating, rotating Stega Barrier. When installed as a static spike barrier, the strips are simply laid end to end and screw fixed in position. The strips are flexible enough to easily follow contoured surfaces where required. When installed as a rotating barrier, strips are assembled back to back and fitted onto support posts to form a continuous run. Installation is quickly and easily achieved using simple hand tools, while the end result is an aggressive and intimidating looking barrier that will make any intruder think twice and move on to an easier target. For more information, please visit our website or call our friendly experts on 01273 475500. If you found this video helpful and watched it on YouTube, please click on the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Insight video channel for more helpful security and safety videos.